Hey y'all, so today I wanted to share with y'all this lace tint spray from Wigstentions. I'm so excited about this. It comes in 3 shades, which is beige, golden, and mocha. So I just wanted to go ahead and do a couple test sprays for you guys so you can see the different shades and so you can see how they are actually buildable colors. So if you give it a shake, mix up everything in the bottle, go ahead and spray it. You can go from light to dark in each bottle, so you really get more than one shade in the bottle. It just depends on your preference. So I'm just spraying to show you how it's buildable. And that is the color beige. This is for my fair skin ladies to light skin ladies. And then I'm trying out golden for you guys. Go ahead and give that a couple sprays. Ooh, very buildable. The more you spray, the darker the tint is gonna be, and that's golden. So this is for my my red bones, my yellow bones, my light skin. And this is mocha, and this is for my chocolate, my deep brown skin ladies. And it already comes out nice and pigmented. I love it, and it smells like roses. And you guys, this spray is antibacterial. Like, come on now, you keeping your wigs fresh and clean and smelling good at the same time. Like, yes. So I think I'm gonna use golden for me, and I will link all of the info in the description box. Hey y'all. Okay, I know I'm looking super rough right now. Let me just say that first. It's the end of the day, and yeah, but we're gonna fix that. So we're gonna get dolled up and stuff. So I know y'all saw this synthetic unit, this synthetic 613 unit in a previous video. So, and you guys know I didn't do anything to it. I literally just cut the lace off and came on the video to you guys because I am gonna be dyeing this, so I didn't want to do too much to it. But today I want to show you guys how easy it is to use this tint, this lace tint spray. So I'm gonna definitely show you the difference in my parting and my lace now, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I pluck and go ahead and tint my lace with this spray. Now this is antibacterial, which is like my favorite spec of this spray. It's antibacterial, so that's pretty cool. And the packaging is like super cute. I know I already showed y'all this, but I love gold and black. It's like sleek, it's simple, I love it, and it smells like flowers. Like, you did your thing with this one, girl. Like, you did your thing. Like, so I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show you a different me because I know it's rough right now, but y'all have seen me worse. So yeah, I will be tint spray, and you can see a big difference in the color. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it matches my skin perfectly, okay? And I did let it dry for a while. You don't have to use as much as I did. I just wanted to make sure that it matched with my skin tone. It is buildable, so if you do a light spray, it's gonna stay light. You do, you know, the more you spray, the darker. The more you spray, the darker the tint will be. So that's pretty cool that it is buildable. And it smells like roses. I don't know if I said that already, but it smells like roses. It smells like flowers. And I love that. I'm in love with the scent, like, for real. So I would give this A+. I love it. I'm a lazy wig wearer, so I don't have time to be bleaching knots and bleaching lace and mixing up developer and all this. So this is like the lazy wig wearer's dream right here. Like, literally a couple seconds, you spray it and you're done. I mean, that's it. Like, you spray it, you done. Boom. Got the girls out today. But anyways, yeah, so I did pluck a little bit, you know. You know, I'm not no wig guru, but I love wigs and hair and things like that. So this is really fun to do. If you want more details on this unit, please check the video out. I will link it and everything like that. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe, because soon I will be dyeing this synthetic unit. I'm not sure what color yet. Leave me some color suggestions in the description box or the comment section. You know where to leave it. But yeah, leave me some color suggestions there. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.